Wow, that's amazing. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to find out how efficient the Corsair AX1600i actually is. We're going to push the CPU and we're going to push the GPU at the same time. We're going to run an NVIDIA tech demo called Reflections, and we're going to run this benchmark Cinebench R23 at the same time. I've never done it before, and we're going to see how much watts we can actually push out of the system. Now, remember, I'm doing this real time. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do this and then edit it. I want to see what this thing can actually do. We're going to be pushing the CPUs, all 24 cores, 100%. So I'm not sure if Reflections is going to run because we're going to be pushing all the CPUs 100% for 3 minutes. And we're going to run Reflections tech demo at the same time. So we're going to push the crap out of this power supply. Let's see if we get Reflection. You don't see me running it yet, but I want to make sure that we get this going. So we're going to start this and make sure this is all visible. All right, so that's going. So now we're going to run, it's called elevated demo. So you're not going to physically see it, the elevated demo running at all, but you're going to hear it. But it's definitely going to be running in the background. So right now we're running 95% efficient. This is going to be interesting because this is going to be pretty sick if we can actually get all of these. Oh, there we go. So it's running. I just saw 700 watts. Wow.
What's the story with all the elevators lately? I heard
Holy crap.
Kylo destroyed the one over in D sector.
So we're 95% efficient, 94% efficient.
Should be transferred to Hoth. What?
Wow, that's amazing. But you notice it's not constant. 826 watts.
You think she heard us?
That's amazing.
Yeah, I think she heard us. At least we blend in for once.
So this proves that the GPU is doing all the work. That's what that proves. We got another 2 minutes and 30 seconds, so we're just going to let this go. This is amazing. So the Reflections will just go in unlimited demo here.
What's the story with all the elevators lately? I heard Kylo Ren destroyed the one over in D sector. If you ask me, who's ever in charge of this place should be transferred to Hoth. What?
That's insane. So I'm just trying to keep an eye on the watt. It's 812.
Yeah, I think she heard us. At least we blend in for once.
So this is showing. So if I showed you something else, I mean, I lost my mouse here.
I heard Kylo Ren destroyed the one over in D
now
sector.
You can physically see.
Who's ever in charge of this place should be transferred to Hoth.
CPUs are 100%. And the GPU is cranking. This is impressive. 815. That's crazy. 95% efficient. Got 40 seconds left.
You think she heard us? Yeah,
I don't
think
know.
She heard us.
I've never seen that before. So I'm doing this test just to see what we can do here. This is crazy. So the highest I've seen was 826 watts or something like that. So that just proves that you need, if you have a system like this or similar system like this, you need at least 1,000 watt or or 1100, 1200 watt power supply. But you never want to go more than 50%. So we hit 800 and change, so 850 watts would not be enough.
Sector. If you ask me, who's ever in charge of this place should be transferred
crazy.
to Hoth. What?
So now we're just going to run GPU only. The CPU test is going to be finished. We're just going to see what its CPU only, the GPU only is. So now you can see how much CPU is actually being used during this demo.
Yeah, I think she heard us.
So what I just did was extremely extreme. Normally you don't do that. You don't run a GPU test at the same time and a CPU test at the same time. We literally pushed the bejesus out of this. So this is a really good test. I'm happy I did that. And I had no idea what the outcome was going to be because I had no idea. I did it real time. So this is kind of an extreme scenario. So let's close out of this. Anyway, guys, hopefully, we'll see now everything is going to drop down. So now we're not running anything. This is idle. So with 250 watts doing nothing. 240 watts doing nothing. Well, actually, we're not doing nothing. We're recording and we're doing a bunch of other things, but this is a good test. So, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.